Hey guys, hope you're well. I'm going to show you how to make the most incredible grilled chicken ever. I'm going to show you how to grill using my incredible Tefal griddle pan. Great for meat, fish, or vegetables. And it's an absolute game changer. First up, here's the chicken. So all I'm going to do is drizzle with a little olive oil. I've preheated this griddle pan for about 5 minutes. The lid and the pan. So we're going to go skin side down in the pan. This technique is called al matoni, which means under the mallet, under the brick. So this is heavy, and it's hot, and it's griddled. So we can take this off, screaming hot, and we can place it down. So it's going to be cooking from both sides. So it's going to cook at twice the speed. The weight will make you get more surface area, which is more crispy bits, and a better bar mark. But also, because it's pushing the moisture into the middle of the meat, it's going to be more juicy, more delicious. So while this is cooking, I'm going to do a reverse marinade. I've got some things that I love: mint, parsley, chili, and some garlic. This is a really rustic, fragrant marinade. The chicken, you know, is cooking in the grill from both sides. So it's always good to check it. Come on! You know that makes sense. Look at it. I love cooking like this. This is a next level. And look, this pan I love. It's an absolutely mainstay in my kitchen. I use it all the time. You do the best toasted sandwiches ever. Meat, fish, vegetables. So once you've finally chopped the herbs, get yourself a nice big bowl. Add some good extra virgin olive oil, white or red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, in with the herbs, and a teaspoon of fennel seeds. And if you want to use spring onions or a little red onion, just finely chop it. So let's mix up the herbs. So now the chicken will rest in this marinade. Look at the juices. Just put the juices over the chicken. What's really nice now is a two-way thing, right? The chicken will relax and the juice will come out. At the same time, your dressing will be sucked in. Look at the flavors, guys. I went around Italy for a couple of years just learning from nonnas, and this method of cooking al matoni under the brick is fantastic. Let's have a little taste up, come on. You get the smokiness and the charriness from the char grill, but it's really kissed with that amazing dressing. If you like that grill, just click the link and it will just show you the range, and you can create beautiful, beautiful, simple dishes like this. Take care.